All right, here is the video for the install. I don't know if you can see it with the light, but this little guy, this is the guy that keeps breaking off. It's a little plastic, cheap little pin that locks in so they can pressurize the gas tank, right? This seems such a minor thing, but honestly, if it falls off, breaks, or whatever, you can't pressurize the gas tank lid, which is needed, especially for the hybrid. That's what happens here. So what Megaohm has made, which is they've sent me, is this little piece, same replacement piece, except what they've done is they've added a screw to it, and this is definitely made way better, stronger. I don't even know what it is, actually, to be honest. It feels like a thin metal or a very strong plastic compared to this flimsy little piece here. So hopefully this is the final replacement piece. That's the intent here, is to take this off. I'll save it, of course, for later, and put this piece on so that we never have to do that again. Okay, instructions are pretty simple. There's this little tab here that actually, you pop it lightly, screwdriver or plastic tool will actually release so that your outside plate comes off, just like that. Super simple. You're going to need a 15th torque wrench here, and you're going to need flat pliers to turn this, because inside you'll see that it actually turns clockwise, and then should pop out this little plastic piece. So I'm going to see if that works. Good thing it's on pretty hard right now, but people say it falls out, so I am not really seeing it turn. And there we go. Got it. So again, this little piece, if you can see closely, just turns and pops off. Okay. So we're going to reuse this little plastic rubber thing. You don't really necessarily need to send that, so we'll just stick this for here. And then the piece that they're sending is this. Again, has a little screw, 15th, come off. I'm assuming this idea is so that it doesn't have that rotation and pop off, you know, with your ins and outs and everything else happening. Looks like you got to make sure that you have that piece up, though, that little groove. You see that little groove there? Looks like it's going to need to be up. Just place that back on. I think it was. Perfect, so it's on. Here's your screw. And you're basically just putting that in its spot. Screwing it on. Trying to make sure that top part is still up. Definitely a very quick job, hopefully. Make sure it's fairly tight, but not too tight, so plastic we're dealing with here. It's on. I don't know, I'm going to be a little creative, jump on this already. I'm just going to slide these back into place, hopefully. I'm not sure if you need to. Perfect, it's in, it's tight, moving, what's that? Nice. Doesn't seem to be any problems. There you go. Hopefully this pin will never break or fall out. Seems like it's pretty sturdy. It's to replace this plastic little flimsy thing that people are complaining they're breaking and not being able to do it. So definitely solid. Good job, guys. I think it's a must-have, my opinion. Till next time.